Hey, how's you guys? Welcome back to Humble Fit, where being fit is a lifestyle and not just a New Year's resolution. Yeah, keep it simple, don't complicate it, or else you hate it. It doesn't have to be perfect yet, but it does need to be done to get to where you need to be, or else you just be a wannabe. Yeah, I don't just wanna be a wannabe. I wanna be having fun on these free skate. Yeah, a few years ago, there's this guy coming down the hill in Waikiki, and he was riding. Seemed like he was riding skates. But then when he came close by, he jumped off the wheels. I was like, what? Yeah, so it's like his skates came apart. So it's like his shoes and his skates just separated. It's like, it's called free skates or drift skates. It's like a broken skateboard with the wheels turned the other way. And so one broken part of the board is one for your right foot and the other one's for your left foot. But yeah, I thought it was neat and I wanted to try it out. So I picked up a pair about a week ago and I tried it out, and hopefully I get to learn this thing quick. But yeah, like everything else, it takes time to learn something. So this is something totally different from regular skates or skateboard. So I picked it up and this is what happened, you guys. Check it out. Hey, just came in from Amazon, my free skates. Actually not free, I paid $35 for it. But from Amazon, yeah, it comes with a tool and it's already assembled, and so you just take it out of the box and it's there. But I guess the tool just to loosen or tighten up the wheels. Oh yeah, nice wheels, a solid grip. The grip tape is really solid, and yeah, they look pretty sturdy. And then the wheels light up. So I figured $35, try it out, see what happens. This is my first day of trying it out. Pretty stiff. Okay, so wanted more downhill action, so I went to the park and this is what happened. Yeah, baby. Saw that? Yeah, I'm getting it. Yeah, the more speed you get, the more I guess the more easier to balance. But just to get my foot together though. But yeah, watching YouTube helps a lot. And also if you guys can, wear protective gear, you guys, because you can get hurt like that. Oh boy. Yeah, if I wore knee pads, I probably would have saved my toes, because I try to protect my knees, and because I try not to fall on my knees, I ended up using my toes to save myself. Yeah, black and blue. But anyway, because I hurt my toes, I went out to the bike shop and purchased the real stuff, and they said should be a little bit easier because of the round wheels and what wheels are softer. So I picked up these JMK'S. Yeah, the real stuff. The first one was a knockoff from Amazon, but I'm pretty sure it's still good. I think to make it better, you can probably change the bearings. But with these, they got better bearings, and it's not assembled though. You have to assemble it yourself, but it's pretty easy, self-explanatory. I mean, yeah, they got instructions in there, so just follow instructions, and yeah, it's pretty easy. But yeah, these are nice. They got different yellow ones. One's called Hornet, the other one's called Bumblebee, and yeah, I like this one. But originally I wanted to get the Rasta color ones with the green, yellow, and red, but yeah, they were sold out. But yeah, these are nice. Yeah, and this is just putting it together. Yeah, and you can if you want to change the grip pads, you can order it separately, even the wheels. And then here I'm measuring it. As you can see, the JMK'S are a little bit wider. Almost the same size as the grip pads. But yeah, so yeah, it's a little bit bigger, pretty much pretty close though. Yeah, it comes with a tool just like the knockoff ones, but this one has the Allen, and then here's the it shows you here the plate for the right, and then for the left there's the R's for the right and the other one's for the left. Okay guys, and there you have it, my new free skates, and now I'm just waiting for my toe to heal. Yeah, it hurts, man. But yeah, so when it heals, then I'll be doing my next attempt, and this time, yeah, probably be using a wall and protective gears. Yeah, like I said, you guys, doesn't have to be perfect yet, but it does need to be done to get to where you need to be, or else you just be a wannabe. Okay, you guys, aloha. We see you in the next video.